I got a dog on. Get the dog on me.
Lay on the ground.
I am.
Put your hands on your back.
All right.
Coming off.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Lay down.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ah, he's shaking you, man.
Stop resisting.
Hey, man,
Hold still.
That's my dog. Please. Hey.
Let me still, dude. I'm trying to help you.
Hey, guys. Reed, look. Reed, damn yeah, Reed.
Hang on. Hold still.
Reed.
You shouldn't have run, dude. Hold still. Hold still. Stop resisting.
Welcome back, crime junkies. Tonight we've got a story that's straight out of a movie, but it's all real. Watch a police dog's incredible skills on full display. This Bodycam footage lives up to the hype. Get ready for a heart-pounding chase. A wanted armed robbery suspect makes a run for it, but they're no match for the speed and determination of this incredible K9.
Stop or you're gonna get bit. Stop or you're gonna get bit. Stop or you're gonna get bit. You're a kid. You better stop or you're gonna get bit. Stop or you're gonna get bit, buddy. Over the fence. Dog bite.
I got a dog on. Get the dog on me.
Lay on the ground.
I am.
Put your hands on your back.
All right.
Coming off.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Lay down.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He's shaking
Dude,
you, man.
stop resisting.
Hey, man,
Hold still.
That's my dog. Please. Hey.
Let me still, dude. I'm trying to help you.
Hey, guys. Reed, look. Reed, damn yeah, Reed.
Hang on. Hold still.
Reed.
You shouldn't have run, dude. Hold still. Hold still. Stop resisting.
I'm not.
Get back. Yeah, I need you to get back, okay? Here, back up, buddy. Back up. Behind the fence. Hey, good job, dude. Good job, buddy. That's right. Yep. You commit a robbery, Rambo's gonna find you. Bro, let me tell you something. Only Rambo jumps privacy fences to get people. You did a good job, buddy. You did a good boy, man. You did a good job. Good boy. You climbed right over that privacy fence, didn't you? Good boy. Good job, buddy. Good job. If you commit a robbery and run, Rambo's gonna get you. Robbery Rambo. Good boy.
If you enjoyed this content, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss another episode.